Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters, and I
Morning.
greet you once more with Happy Easter. How many of you can relate to the experience of Cleopas and his companion? How many of you can say, ganyan din yung naranasan ko eh? What did they experience? Well, they were sad. They were disappointed. They were confused. We were hoping that he would be the one to redeem Israel. They had hopes, high hopes, and yet he is missing. You know, nung natalo po si Lenny noong 2022, marami sa mga kabataan ang umiyak. I was in Paco as a parish priest, and we had several volunteers for Lenny, young volunteers. And many of them, when Lenny lost, got disappointed. And many of them cried. That's why we even had to gather the youth volunteers in a kind of prayer session, therapy, ika nga, para makita ano ba ang gustong sabihin ng Diyos sa ating lahat sa mga ganitong pangyayari. That was the experience of the two disciples. Their hopes were crushed. Ganon din ba kayo, kumisan? Parang sunod-sunod yung problema dumarating sa buhay, and then yung mga tao na inaasahan mo ay binigo ka, naging taksil sa iyo, o nakalimutan yung kanilang mga pangako. But then, katulad din ba tayo ng mga alagad patungo sa Emmaus, nakasama pala nila si Jesus na naglalakad, kasama pala nila si Jesus sa kanilang mga diskusyon nang hindi nila napansin. I think that is the problem of many of us. We complain that God has not been with us. We complain that God has not been listening to our prayer. Di ba may kantang, natutulog ba ang Diyos? How many times have we asked that question? Natutulog ba ang Diyos? May pakialam ba ang Diyos sa akin? Mahal pa ba ako ng Diyos? And all throughout, God has been with us. Yun ang naging problema ng mga alagad patungo sa Emmaus. Kasama nila si Jesus na naglalakbay, pero hindi nila napansin. My dear brothers and sisters, perhaps that is the grace that we should be praying for today. Lord, let me see you being present in the many happenings of my life. Lord, let me feel your presence, especially during sad times, so that I will not have any doubt that you are with me along the way. Yun ang hingin nating biyaya. Kasama natin ang Diyos, kasama natin si Jesus. Sana makita natin ito. Amen.